Alright, agatalinda President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni have finally asisinkanye Honorable Joel Ssenyonyi. Soko labe wano akatini nnyo tumayi tweyongereyo.
Now, Ssenyonyi was saying.
Alright, ndowooza mulabe bulungi nnyo omukulu amanyikiddwa nga President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni finally leader of opposition Honorable Joel Ssenyonyi amusisinkanye. Kaino bera batyo kaba kaino bera vice versa Museveni yasisinkanye leader of opposition Joel Ssenyonyi kubanga awo nyini ku parliament y'eggwanga Uganda wakolera abasinga badde bamanyi engumi egenda kunyoka naye oh my god guess what they managed to talk ate waliwo leader of opposition kyakoze mu maaso video gigenda okubira nga tuba playingira wano wenyini wentegedde ndino akasajja ako ate kati akayinamu omutima gwa his excellency Robert Kyagulanyi Bobi Wine asobodde okubeera nga alemesa deal oba plan y'abakulu abo Muhoozi Kainerugaba okubeera nga eyitamu obadde okimanyi bannayuganda bonna babadde bagala okubateeka mu PLU kimanyi mubadde temukola ki mubadde temubimanyi producer oba kusomuyita professor omu okuva wali ku Stanford University asobodde okubeera nga abikumenyera video mu maaso awo tugirina nyongera obajjukiza video soko gimpeteka like esobola okubeera nga etambula gwasinaba okubeera nga subscribing tugenda kutandika ewa President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni okusisinkana omukulu leader of opposition Joel Ssenyonyi omuliro gwase mu parliament olunaku olwaleero
kakati abatasobodde okuba nga batuukayo mu parliament ekireese okusisinkana kw'ababiri bano babadde ne parliamentary osobolita tribute nga basibula omwoyo gw'omugenzi Moses Ali General kati omukulu chief nyini Yoweri Kaguta Museveni commander in chief abadde alina okubanga naye abeerawo mu nfu abaana b'enkyukakyuka no badde basuubira mbu ababiri bano leader of opposition engeri kiri nti abadde ayogera through the speaker of the parliament ng'aweereza eri omukulu commander in chief kati essaawa ya leero abadde ali direct
basinkanye nenga ndabye President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni nga musanyufu nnyo nga bamusongera leader of opposition
akasajja buli gyakalaba ati abadde basuubira nti bagenda okuba nga bawadisinganya ebigambo oba leader of opposition agenda okusabulira ddala wabula adisiplayinze professionalism n'ayogera nga bw'ateekeddwa okukola ki okwogera kwesiza buwombeefu nnyo n'atuusa ensonga z'abaana b'enkyukakyuka era of course ne leero nga bulijjo azizemu n'abanja olowooza mu maaso ga General Museveni Kaguta Yoweri ati buhabulwa omukulu Faina Musabi namugamba nti no agambe mutabani we General Muhoozi Kainerugaba akakanye embeera engeri gyali mu kubeera ng'ayisamu Abannayuganda olowooza he will take that message positive oba ajja sigala mugambo oli nti no bano basajja tubalina sensamu omuliro bongezemu omuliro ekituufu nti however much and General Muhoozi Kainerugaba mutabani wa Museveni oba nti CDF tekijjawo kiri nti abataata we okitegeera kati era ne wanaabanga agezezzaako nti amuteekeko amaanyi amugambe nti kino kyokola si kituufu mujjamu era kali ak'obuzadde agamba nti awo n'omwana wange okitegeera era tajja mussaako maanyi era ajja mulekera kali ka freedom nti yeesalirewo era nebisigadde General Muhoozi Kainerugaba byanaaba akola kijja kuba nti kijja kubeera out of his will ate nebira mujjukira ne presidential address gye twalaba kyalagira ddala nti n'omukulu
video eno njagala tugiwe obudde ogirabe gwe Munnayuganda aliyo tukule ebirozi mu comment section. Do you think this is the leader of opposition His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi gwe yalonda olowooza okusisinkana kwa leader of opposition ne President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni kulina engeri gye gusobola okukyusaamu ebigenda mu maaso saawa zino mu ggwanga Uganda oba nedda soko labe
and a country that is better because we had the privilege to serve. We welcome the Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces, who joined us earlier for this tribute session. I would like to urge him to prevail over the various security entities, to observe the law and respect the law as they do their work. The 1995 Constitution is a brainchild of the NRM government. We need to respect that Constitution. General Moses Ali was a believer in the rule of law. And that's why he gave up armed rebellion and then served in our national army. Anyone, whether a leader or an ordinary citizen, can be suspected by the state to have committed any offense, but they ought to be apprehended as the law stipulates, detained in a gazetted detention facility, and produced in court within 48 hours. Lately, Right Honourable Speaker and colleagues, people are abducted, taken for days, weeks, and even months. Sometimes they are tortured, their family does not know their whereabouts, and they are not produced in court. This is not right, and we must collectively condemn it. On behalf of the opposition, I extend our deepest condolences to the family of the late Right Honorable General Moses Ali, the people of Adjumani, the Muslim faith which he professed, the Nubian community which he loved dearly, his friends and colleagues, and all Ugandans who mourn his passing. May they find comfort in the years he dedicated to serving this our country. May God grant General Moses Ali eternal rest and comfort his family.
Alright, nga tubitadde ku mabbali lunaku olwaleero President His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi adibuza abasajja agenda aziyuwa kikyo ekigambo ekituufu kye twandibadde tukozesa saawa zineno. Labyeko omukulu amanyikiddwa nga Oboth ono nga Speaker wa Parliament, Right Honourable Speaker Jacob Oboth ng'agezaako okubeera ng'agamba bannayuganda bonna basobola okubeera nga bakonvati nga bali mu NRM, abali mu PLU, abali mu NUP, abali mu DF, abali mu PFF, abali mu FDC, abali mu DP, abali mu UPC, abali mu ANTI, abali mu Common Man's Party nga Bugambya, abali mu oba Peasant Party azikoode agamba nti bonna begatte ku PLU General Muhoozi yalina future y'Abannayuganda. Naye waliwo professor okuva Stanford University asobodde okubeera nga abakakanya engeri gy'abireetinzemu President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni ne mutabani we agambye nti if General Muhoozi was to take power twandilaba a worse regime compared to the one of even Idi Amin Dada. What do you say about this?
Kakati waliwo political analysts bagezaako okubanga badefininga oba badescribinga Muhoozi Kainerugaba ne gundi ne Idi Amin Dada. Bagamba enjawulo y'ababiri bano kiri nti Muhoozi Kainerugaba he has attained some education which Idi Amin Dada didn't do. Nti Muhoozi asomyeko era y'ensonga lwaki ne waaba akola ebintu bye akola kitono akola bw'ateekayo bw'akola kibajjayo naye singa Idi Amin Dada singa ateera akubira ddala kuba kutta singa attira ddala naye kati General Muhoozi
linga gamba nti singa Idi Amin Dada yali yasoma yandibadde amusingako ku
exactly kati era General Muhoozi kituufu kyo kiri nti if he is to become the president of Uganda biba biralamu
bijja kuba biralamu mugenda kuba mutubulira ebirowoozo byammwe nammwe abalabi baffe aba Wonderboy Uncensored nyinga bajjukiza kutanaba kubeera nga video gituwera ka like jiwere ka like watana subscribing akadde kajja personalize okatekemu all so latest updates nga zino birengo zifuna mbudi sigenda kubeera nga nsukawo waneeno yaga musuke muwulirize professor ng'ageza kubeera nga abibatemera ku nsonga z'Abannayuganda bonna okubeera nga bali converted to PLU mu 2030 siwe ugenda kwenda ekisanja
kiddako kitandikira
next elections so kola video tumaituyongere.
I believe that every Ugandan should belong to PLU.
What is the PLU?
Every Ugandan should be a member of PLU. I met a foreign diplomat today who told me there are people from his country. They are afraid to come here because other countries don't want to see any stamp of Uganda.
Okay, Mr. Oboth, they say that the birds have come back home to roost. The birds have come back home to roost. Mr. Oboth, you don't know that you are the problem and you are part of the problem. The parliament of a country is supposed to be an independent arm of government to representing people, not the drunkard Muhoozi. So you expect to go and the people talk to diplomats and you think they will take you serious when a soldier who is nowhere in the hierarchy of government is giving you orders. And now, boss, when the drunko Muhoozi, that criminal Muhoozi second due to become Speaker of Parliament, I sent you a video asking you whether you understand the basics of law, yet you studied law. 3 arms of government. Military is under executive. How does it jump from executive to come to the people's house to give you orders? So you want diplomats also to say, boss, my man, Jadwong. People were telling me that you see, I'm jealous. Okay, even those foreign diplomats are jealous of you. Hey, secondly, boss, you have not said anything about it. M23 rebels being recruited in our army. I sent a video to Parliament. Yes. What is M23 doing in our army where we pay our tax? No answer. Now you want us to take you serious. Another issue. There is no elected person in Uganda who is in office legally right now. All of you are illegal. All. Museveni illegal. MPs illegal. LC5 cow. I mean councillor. Sorry, not cow. All elected office illegal. Do you have results? Election results. So how did? What shows that you won? Boss, you are illegal. Taiwa is illegal. Simani what? You have spoiled the reputation of Uganda. How can the third in command? That one I understand. You understand when I say third in command, the Speaker of Parliament, be kneeling before a soldier? That's not a democracy. That is some stupid thing there. Now Uganda is something. You are adults who are very reckless, my man. I told you both now you are here lamenting. We want a new Uganda. And you, right now, you are eating money illegally. You will pay that money. We are going to prosecute you. Uganda is going to prosecute you. I know some fools will say, we. Okay, Uganda. The people of Uganda, they will always be there, will prosecute you, Museveni, that drunko, that criminal is wanted in ICC Muhoozi. The PLU people, you are all illegal. How do you say you are? What is PLU? What is that? And you are committing crimes. I'm waiting to see you trying to go out of Uganda and they tell you, boss, go back. Taiwa, go back. You are Deputy Speaker of Parliament. Go back. You have spoiled this country. You must pay. It is serious. Oh, bossy. Oh, bossy, bye. My message, all of you in office, elected office, get out. You are illegal, no results. See, we are going for shutdown even. And we shall get you. Bye. I don't know, but Ugandans are going to get you. Okay. You will have to refund that money you are eating now. For God and my country, let us meet in the new Uganda. If some of us reach there, that is okay. If not, we shall have played our part, eh? If for both riches there or no team, or that one, he is a criminal, is wanted everywhere. Bye.